Okay, I put Panera broccoli and cheddar with carrots. I put this brand in with my Hamilton Beach casserole, and then I added classical traditional basil pesto. Yes, I did. And I added Morton all-natural sea salt, some garlic seasonings, some Parmesan cheese from Crafts with Romano. And for seasoning, here is a Badia complete seasoning for all your poultry. It's great for Thanksgiving and for your turkey. I used it last year. And add some cream of tartar to give it that thickness. This is the Kroger brand from Ralph's. Can you see that? All right. And it's only $5. Here's some fresh basil from the Private Mediterranean Basil collection. It's finely chopped, so you don't have to worry about anything going down your acid reflux pipe. And I added some Mexican flavored cheeses, fresh and non-fat Kroger Ralph's milk with vitamin fortified D and A, and all here in my Hamilton Beach crock pot. Let's see what it looks like. That floating on top is your pesto. Look at that. Wow. Yes, indeed. It's coming along really good. It's slowly cooking for me. Look at that. Oh, wow. And the pasta that you're looking at is gluten-free rice and corn. Yes, it's Rotini. But it's all gluten-free, which is great. Don't need extra love handles this holiday season, do we? We want something delicious. We want something tasteful. If you can't stand a lot of cheese, you may be lactose intolerant. Milk products bother me too. That's why I use the dry milk formula. And I don't have a problem with cheese, but some people do. Yes, no, I don't have any problems with cheese. So be careful about the cheeses that you use if you have a problem. How does that look? Yes, indeed. Oh, and let me taste it for you. It's not quite done, but yes, it's delicious. I think it is done. And I'm going to add a little bit more salt and a little bit more cheese because I am a cheese whiz. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.